Well, hello, I am Anne Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga. And today we came right from the future. We were able to choose one day to pick to relive, and somehow we picked today. The only thing is we don't remember why, we don't remember the future, only that today is special and we wanted to live this day again. So, oh my goodness, let's start with a yoga class, of course. Why? What else would we do in our brand new day? Now, inhaling up, oh, just like sitting comfortably, maybe shaking our head a little bit gently. Exhaling it down, looking at our knees, the other knee, the other leg. Woo! Gently looking around, up and to the side. And maybe it's just side to side. No, 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 no. Something is wrong there. I came from the future to relive this day. I pick this day. Yes, I did. And why did I do it? We'll find out. Inhaling our arms up, exhale the shoulders down. Little wrist motion as we bring the hands down. Inhale up, exhale, little wrist motion. Now swimming arms. Little swimming arms going up, and up can be there. Keep your arms down if it's better for you. We don't force and we don't go outside our range of motion. And a little swimming forward. Just reach forward, reach forward. See my upper body here? There's a slight twist that goes with that. Oh, next time you have one arm forward, bring it on the opposite side. Inhale tall. Think, wow, I picked quite a nice day so far. We'll see, we have to pay attention why we picked today to relive. Oh, yes. Nice. Oh, nice little twist. Doesn't that feel good like that? Shoulder roll, up and back, adding like nice little hands doing little circles. Oh, maybe forward a few times if it feels good to you. Thumb down and away, thumb down and away. Scooping out. This is great if you're at the keyboard, the lap. Feels wonderful right here. And if it doesn't feel wonderful to you, you skip that move, right? Little choo dance. Ooh, let's bounce it a little bit. And let's see how the rest of this day goes. Just let it happen. And just pay attention to all the goodness. Wishing you a wonderful rest of the day. You've lived it twice after all. Namaste.